Hello, my name is Jim Metcalfe, and I'm the Director of Immigration at Pace Law Firm. Over the past 10 days, there's been significant changes in Canadian immigration programs affecting who can apply for permanent residence and what the conditions for applications are. I'll give you a quick rundown of what has happened. Both the federal and Quebec government have placed moratoriums on receiving new applications under the investor program and under the skilled worker program. The federal government has put a moratorium on all applications and will be reopening their programs with new selection criteria in January 2013. The Quebec government has canceled or has put a moratorium on new applications under the investor program and have restricted the number of applications or the type of applications that can be applied under the Quebec skilled worker program. What they will be doing in the future is unknown, but the government has indicated, at least the federal government has indicated, they'll be having ongoing consultations and will be forthcoming. New programs will be forthcoming in the new year. Of more significance is the fact that at the end of June, the government passed their budget bill, and buried in the budget bill is a plan to cancel applications which were filed under the federal skilled worker program before March 2008. What does this mean? If your application is in process and there's been no activity on the application is going to be canceled and you're going to receive your processing fees back from the government. In order to qualify under the federal skilled worker program in the future and until further changes are announced, you will have to have a job offer in Canada which is approved by the National Employment Service or the Human Resources and Skill Development Canada. There are also no changes if you are in Canada and you qualify under the Canadian Experience class, which means that if you've worked in Canada for 2 years in a high-skilled occupation, or you're a graduate of a Canadian university or college and have 1 year's experience, you can still qualify. So if you're in Canada, there's an opportunity to stay in Canada. If you're outside Canada, your opportunities are going to be restricted, at least for another 6 months. We'll keep you updated on our web pages of any significant changes that come about. If you have any specific questions, check out our web pages. And if you have questions, email me at immigration@pacelawfirm.com. Thank you very much. Look forward to hearing from you in the future.